Welcome back to Tractor Tales, folks. This week we got a story of a family-owned Farmall F20 from Washington State.
We have the 1935 Farmall that I grew up on. My dad bought this tractor in 1937 and farmed with it until about 61 or 2. And my brother and I both started driving it when we were about 11, 12 years old. And so it's a real it's a real heirloom. 99, we moved out here. I wanted a place with enough land that I could build a shop. And once I had that built, I decided I'd go look for it and found it back near Manhattan, right where it had been, with an old collector that had kept it, and it was still running. But it had been used until about 15 years before, and he was still using it to pull stuff around on his collection. And in the late 50s, the last time my dad overhauled it, he had put 4-inch sleeves and up the bore 1/4 of an inch. And aluminum pistons in it. I had to replace the sleeves and rings, of course, take a couple of thousands out of the shims out of the rods, but it was fine, and then it ran just like new. The original horsepower rating on these with kerosene was 20, which is the F20. But every farmer like my dad had upgraded them when gasoline became available, put on the gas manifold, took off the dual fuel. And then he and a lot of other farmers did what Dad had done, and that's upgrade to those 4-inch sleeves. And they went to 36-inch wheels, took the 28s off, because with that power, you know, they could plow a lot faster with the same amount of gas. It's the original clutch. Nothing has changed in the gear, transmission, all original. Still fine, just like new.